Algibebes. A little bit of history. Algibebes, a Portuguese word, originally comes from an old Portuguese word for clothes merchants. This was once an alley where they sold second-hand clothes. Wandering down Algibebes, meandering around Algibebes, going up and down from Algibebes, 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 Algibebes. Oh, Algibebes, Algibebes, Algibebes. Algibebes, Algibebes, Algibebes. Walking up to Sao Paulo ruins, walking through Macau, walking up and down and around Algibebes. Oh, Algibebes. Travessa dos Algibebes, an old alley of Macau, an old archaic Portuguese word without a late origins. Algibebes! Clothes Sellers Lane! Algibeb, 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 Algibebes! Wandering down Algibebes, and around Algibebes, going up and down from Algibebes, 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 Algibebes. Oh, Algibebes, Algibebes, Algibebes.
Okay, so we're going to be capturing this one right here, Travessa dos Algibebes. And Algibebes is this little alley right here, but this little alley is quite busy. And there's kind of a lot going on right in here. There's a couple of shrines. We're going to try to capture as much details as well as capture what's going on here with all the different people. It kind of helps you, well, anyways, we'll get into it in a moment. Let's put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So that's our sign, Travessa dos Algibebes. So we are going to come on up this way. And I'm going to go down that street in a minute, but I'm just going to go down this while I kind of explain what this is. So this is a very popular, busy pedestrian street that connects Senado Square with Sao Paulo ruins. So way over there is Grand Lisboa Casino, way up at the top. Okay, it's quite busy. It's December 29. It's actually a Monday, but it's quite busy at this time of year because of the New Year's. There's bucketing right there. So we are going to go across. Our Algibebes is down this way. So this is our Target Street. So you got some Christmas references. Got some sandwiches, beef au pau. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back. So we'll go down it and just kind of show you. Okay. So it's a relatively short street. You got some shoes, clothing, stuff like that. Restaurants, pork chop buns, tourist shop, wine shop, cigar shop, nice murals. I think some of this is kind of new. So that looks up our target street. We're gonna actually go around in a loop. The street is so short, and I want to go back up to where all the people are at. That's fruit. And then this goes down to a street called Mercadores. There's the street right there. So Travessa dos Algibebes. So pretty cool little street here. Hey, how's it going?
How are you?
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go back. Let's go all the way down. Say hello to him. He's a drummer, so he plays the drums in Macau, local. Grew up here. That's the Hotel Centro, that green building right over there. Some alleys. Okay. So that's our target street right there. And then we also have the Macau sign. Got a parking lot. So we're going to go back up to our busy street, and we'll just follow this in a triangle and go back up to that busy area. Okay. So we're gonna go up. Let's just kind of capture this for a second here. So this is kind of photogenic. That is this street right here is the herbalist street. Evanarios. Okay, so we're gonna go back up. So this is kind of a beautifully photogenic building right here. They always have that display up front as well. Got some fruits as well. Okay, so we're gonna go back up to our target street. Algibebes. Which is up that way. This is that kind of interesting. So you just that right there you can see through it as well, and then kind of has this kind of a beautiful features to it. Very photogenic. I think I've seen it in photographs. People will capture that sometimes. And now we're back up here. And the base of our street is up here. So that's Algibebes. Let me go like this. Yeah, and this street goes all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins, so you'll be able to see the church. I'll just go a little bit a ways since it's kind of interesting and it's kind of a big landmark in this area. So busy. So Sao Paulo Church is quite. You can kind of see it right there now. So. Okay. Hello. Oops, he's just waving and I missed him. So there's Sao Paulo ruins right up there. Okay. So there it is. That's where all the tourists come. So I guess we basically went, I was gonna go, well, anyways. It's quite crowded today, so. Okay. So that's the church. I didn't plan to come all the way up this way, but we're here now, so. Okay. Here it is. Okay.